everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about tarps. Now, everyone knows that the blue tarps. Everyone has blue tarps. Oh, well, they also make them with camouflage, or they make them silver and stuff. Tarps of those I just mentioned come in different weights or thicknesses. And like, I get most of my tarps at Harbor Freight. I use a lot of the blue ones, and the green ones are also called agricultural tarps if you look on their website, and they're a little bit heavier duty. And then they got the reflective silver ones, which are even heavier duty. So you need to figure out weight versus duty. I mean, you want it to do a certain thing, but you want one that weighs a really heavy amount, or you want something that's lightweight, you can put on, do it, get it in place, and take care of it. So figure out what you need. Now, years back, my dad got hold of some trucker tarps. These are the PVC tarps, vinyl-like tarps, really thick, heavy duty, like they're like 4 times as thick as the strongest ones that Harbor Freight carries. And they are absolutely waterproof. They're made to be on the road, the wind blowing them and making them vibrate, and last for quite a while. If you can find some of those, even if you get a used one that's slightly damaged, they'll outlast any other tarps you can get. So there's a little hint right there of what type of tarp you may want to get for heavy duty stuff. Alrighty, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here. I'm going to put a playlist down here, another video over here, and the link to Camp Pat and Family Compound, my other channel up here. And reminding you to stay prepared and get everything you need and screw this all up. Alright, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here. I'm going to put a playlist down here, another video you'll be interested in over here, and the link to my gardening and homesteading channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up over here.